Hello and welcome back to whose channel?
My channel.
Isaac's channel. And I am back and we just went
Hey,
sledding.
can I have a tissue, please?
I'm sorry, we didn't have any footage of that. So, right now, we are going to be eating the snacks that my mom brought. So, Isaac calls them moochables, and I love that word, so I will call them that too.
Yeah, because if you didn't know, I mooch and invite myself over at other people's houses.
Ooh,
I know. You have to give me a lot of credit for that.
Alright, so we have Fig Newtons, animal crackers, and the fan favorite goldfish.
Ooh, fan favorite.
So Isaac, what are you gonna choose first?
I don't know. These don't look like great high quality snacks.
They do or they
And
don't?
stay tuned because it's possible that we can do a video on a little doo-doo-doo. You haven't already see our famous big doo-doo-doo.
And we will be doing a video of ice cream at Yogurt Beach.
Actually, it's called frozen yogurt there. Yeah. Sorry for the interruption. So yeah. Let's see. Let's start eating. First, I'm gonna chug someone's this. Vitamin
What
water.
is that, Isaac?
Vitamin water, zero
Will you
sugar.
hold it up to the screen?
Tasty. Just adding
And
a
then-
simple bit of flavor to a liquid can make it taste
I
delicious.
have my water bottles, my fancy stickers, and I'll tell you, I got them from my teacher last year. So this is a cat because I love cats. This is a bike and I thought the tires were pretty. This is a turtle, I thought it was pretty. Ice cream because you know I love ice cream. A dog because I think it was cute. Food is memories. I love food. So does Isaac. And the Just Go because it was like a bear claw and I like animals. And I also like that. Just go and do it because you'll never know how things will happen until you just go and do it. And then there's a giant chicken. So Isaac, what are you gonna choose?
I don't know.
I just noticed that catering company.
Animal crackers. I'm gonna have the animal crackers too.
Let's see, how do they taste? These look like they taste very high quality. And it seems like it's been given to us by the people who know food the most.
Right.
And it also just felt like it's in a strip mall. Like it's not like
It's great to dig into the feast with a little bit of sweet first. It's a nice flavor.
there's a lot more snow on the ground here than by us. Yeah, you're right. I didn't really notice that. Yeah. Did your parents get? I was hearing like the South Shore
Yeah.
like, yesterday.
Yeah.
To get.
If you ever buy any of them,
I think.
you'll see that
And it seems like it was very localized too.
there.
Like, it was like just Plymouth and Kingston or something
Yeah.
like that. Like it wasn't
Nice
very,
and
like,
high quality,
Yeah, I was
and
hearing like possible South Shore.
each
like,
taste will never taste bland.
Yeah.
Don't you know what I mean? Yeah, you probably do. Yum.
Oh, that is it for this. So that is it for this video. Stay tuned for more videos. And so bye guys. See you later.